there, bring it up nice and slow. Right there, right there, right there. Up, 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 up. Yeah, fight it, squeeze it. So that's another reason why I'm more accepting to who the individual is. You see what I mean? So one thing you don't even really know this about me, I look for flaws first, for sure. Because if I can understand your flaws, it's gonna show me your natural character. Because what some people don't realize is when you at your bottom, it shows who you really are. Because it's gonna show you how you move at your extreme. And I think a great example is Breaking Bad. Think about what happened to your boy. Your boy experienced cancer and he moved himself in a way he never thought he would have moved because he was tired of being shitted on. You know what I'm saying? But that's who he was deep down within. It just took that one situation to bring him out. And that's how it is for some of us at the end of the day. But my biggest thing is you should never, as an individual, you as an individual, you are who you are. You should never change who you are despite whatever circumstances throw at you. You stay consistent with who you are. God, in my opinion, is really just challenging you to see, are you gonna stay true to yourself? Or you gonna fall a victim to the bullshit. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, man, despite what anybody say, feel, think, or move, you keep being you, man. If you need to be humble, God will humble you, dog. Let's get it. We're gonna do 20. We're gonna do 20 on this, and then we're gonna be up out of here. Just focus on the blood, that's it. Woo. Woo. Time, take your time. Yeah, nice and slow. It's gonna be one set, nice and slow. One set, nice and slow. Easy. Remember, squeeze the glutes at the top. Let it burn. Easy. Remember, squeeze the abs nice and tight. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Control all the way down on the hamstrings, man. Control all the way down on the hamstrings. Butter. 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 Yeah, butter. Easy. Keep going. Up, 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 up. Good. Stretch it out. Yeah, I talk about time and attention. We do it. I know I talk a lot of shit about time and attention, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We do it. Easy. Keep going. Keep going. Yep, crank them out. Keep going. You got it. 20. Nice and slow. Keep going. Nice and slow. Yeah. Remember, make sure you squeeze the glutes. We stretching out on the hamstrings. When you get to the top, slow down coming up too. Don't come up fast. Slow down coming up. Bring it up slow. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Fight that. Squeeze the glutes at the top too. Let's go. Right there. Right there. Up, 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 up. Not so low. Good. Bring it up. Bring it up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bring it up. Nah. Come on now. Come on. Right there. Right there. Bring it up slow. 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 Fight it. There we go. Get them activated. Come on. Right there. Right there. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Come on. Too fast. Too fast. That's too fast, big dog. Right there. Bring it up nice and slow. Right there. Right there. Right there. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Fight it. Squeeze the glutes. Good. There we go. Nice and slow. Right there. Right there. Right there. Not so low. Right there. Butter. There we go. Keep going. Right there. Easy. What's that? 20? Oh, good work. Good work. Good work.